Welcome to Eventual Consistency. In distributed systems, we face a fundamental trade-off between consistency and availability. Eventual consistency is a design pattern that prioritizes high availability and low latency by allowing temporary divergence in data across replicas. The system guarantees that all copies will eventually converge to the same state. The CAP theorem states that a distributed system can guarantee at most two of three properties: consistency, meaning all nodes see the same data simultaneously; availability, meaning the system remains operational even when some nodes fail; and partition tolerance, meaning the system continues to function despite network partitions. In practice, when a network partition occurs, you must choose between availability and consistency. Traditional strong consistency requires synchronous updates across all replicas, which introduces significant latency and reduces availability. Eventual consistency sacrifices immediate consistency to achieve high availability and low latency. This approach works well for systems where temporary divergence is acceptable. Examples include social media platforms, online shopping carts, and distributed databases like DynamoDB and Cassandra. In an eventually consistent system, data is replicated across multiple nodes. When a client writes to one replica, the update is acknowledged immediately. The system then asynchronously propagates this change to other replicas. Different replication strategies include primary backup replication, where one node is primary; multi-master replication, where multiple nodes can accept writes; and leaderless replication, where all nodes are equal. When replicas diverge, conflicts arise if different values are written to the same key. Last write wins is the simplest strategy, where the most recent write overwrites earlier ones. Vector clocks provide a more sophisticated approach by tracking causality between events. Application-driven resolution allows custom logic to merge conflicting values intelligently. In eventual consistency, clients may read stale data before all replicas converge. The staleness window is the time between a write and when all replicas have the updated value. Different consistency levels are available. Eventual consistency accepts maximum staleness for best performance. Strong eventual consistency guarantees no conflicts. Causal consistency preserves cause and effect relationships between operations. After a write is acknowledged to the client, the system propagates it to other replicas. Push replication sends changes from the primary to replicas proactively. Pull replication has replicas periodically request updates from the primary. Gossip protocol is a peer-to-peer approach where replicas exchange updates randomly. Each method has different latency, bandwidth, and complexity trade-offs. A network partition occurs when replicas lose connectivity with each other. During a partition, each replica continues accepting writes independently, creating divergence. Read availability remains high because local replicas still respond to requests. However, clients may observe different data depending on which replica they connect to. This is the key trade-off of eventual consistency. When a partition heals and replicas reconnect, the system must reconcile divergent states. Reconciliation policies determine how conflicts are resolved. Last write wins automatically selects the most recent value. Merge rules combine changes from both sides. Application-driven reconciliation lets custom code determine the correct final state. Clients may observe temporary divergence until convergence completes across all replicas. Eventual consistency enables highly available and low-latency distributed systems by tolerating temporary data divergence. Convergence is achieved asynchronously through replication, conflict resolution, and reconciliation policies. Choose your strategy based on use case. Last write wins for simplicity, vector clocks for causality tracking, or application-driven approaches for complex logic. Design your system to handle stale reads, manage merge conflicts, and recover gracefully after network partitions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.